Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today's video is a review of Walmart Take and Bake Pizza. I found this pizza at my local Walmart. It was $5.99 I believe, and it's a 12-inch 5-cheese pizza. It looks pretty good. I hope it tastes good. So this is the front of the box. It comes in a nice pizza box. So that would be the front of the box. And this is going to be the back of the box. This pizza bakes at 375 for 12 to 14 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Let's bake this pizza and see how it turns out. All right, see you in 14 minutes. So the pizza comes in this really nice box, easy to carry home, and this is what the pizza looks like pre-bake. It's wrapped up in the cellophane. You can take it out. That's it. Let's go bake it for 14 minutes. It's gonna go on my pizza screen and into the oven. All right, here's the pizza after 14 minutes at 375. This is the final product. Here's the crust. All right, here we go. Walmart pizza review. That would be the top. It's the bottom. It's from the side. 14 minutes at 375. Let's give it a bite. All right. You needed one more minute. Box says 12 to 14 minutes at 375. In my oven, probably needed 15 minutes. It's not bad. Get some of the crust. .75 out of 5. Walmart Take and Bake Pizza. I think it was $5.99 for 12-inch. It is what it is, you know. Steak and bake. Walmart 37.5. Thank you guys.